Hello, today I'm going to be giving you a quick guide to using Canvas Studio, specifically how to create a video and how to add captions to that video in Canvas Studio. Whenever you log into Canvas, the main menu on the left side will have the option Studio that is towards the bottom of the main menu. This is the main web page that we will be using to upload, edit, and publish your videos. Once you press Studio on the menu, this web page will show all of your previous videos with some organization options, such as creating video collections. On the top right of the web page, there are 3 buttons: one to start creating a recording, one to upload already created videos from your computer or YouTube, and one to search through the videos that you have uploaded. We will be using the button labeled Record and then the option Screen Capture to start our screen recording. From here, the page will load the screen capture application. If you have not downloaded the program, Screen Recorder Launcher version 2.0, required for Canvas to record your screen, the instructions on how to download the program will appear. If you have already downloaded the program, a pop-up asking to open Screen Recorder Launcher version 2.0 will appear. Go ahead and press open and the main screen of the program will appear. There is going to be a small menu on the bottom left that includes a big red record button that will start your screen recording. It has the options menu where you can choose what you want to record and double check your audio. It has a drawing tool that you can use to annotate or draw on the screen before recording or during recording, and also the cancel button if you don't want to record. Besides the small menu, there is a dash frame. For me, the frame was automatically set to be full screen, so I can change that under size in the options and manually adjust it. Everything inside of this frame is what is going to be captured on the screen recording. You can adjust the size of the frame manually or using the menu. I'm going to put it back to full screen. I'm going to start recording by going to the PowerPoint that I want to record and pressing the record button. When this is pressed, a countdown starts, and everything after that countdown will be recorded. Now, as you are recorded, you can see that the menu bar disappears and is replaced with red numbers at the bottom left. This is how long you have been recording. There's also a pause button that you can press in the middle of recording. When pause is pressed, the menu bar reappears, but with an extra option to re-watch what you have been recording. You can look through this by pressing anywhere on the bar or pressing play and pause. Once you are satisfied and finished recording, you can press the done button and it shows the screen where you can edit the video. You can change the length of the video to cut out any beginning or ending parts that you did not want. With the bars at the bottom, you can do additional editing in this menu bar to cut out specific parts. And also other editing options. Once you're done editing, you title your video, add a description if you want to, and press upload to upload the video onto Canvas Studio. Once it uploads, it's going to be on the Canvas Studio webpage. And you can view the video. Now, the video that I created is still in the process of uploading, but will have the same view option as this one that I've already created once it uploads. This is a previous video I created, and we can go into the video to view the details, comments, insights, and what we're going to look at now, captions. Whenever you first create a video, you have to request the captions, and you want it to be automatically created. You do this by selecting the language you want and clicking request. It will take a few minutes after you queued up for the captions to be created. So this video, I've already queued up for the captions. You're going to press review and publish your captions, and it shows a transcript that goes along with your recording. Next to timestamps that you said that in the video. Whenever you click the timestamp, it's going to jump back up to the video on the top and start playing from that point. In order to edit these captions, I recommend reading through the transcript for accuracy and clicking the timestamp to clear up anything you said. You can easily edit the captions in the text box corresponding to the timestamp. Once everything is accurate, press publish. The captions are not on the video right now, but if I re-enter the video, you can see that there is an option for closed captioning in the video. And that is how you create a video and add captions to Canvas Studio.